Hey everybody, it's your boy Lowe's Trade. Today is the 25th of June. I'm going to go over two trades that I took today. It was a bit of a rocky day today for me, but nonetheless, my account is still alive and it's still healthy, and I'm halfway to getting my first payout ever in this industry. And I really want to put in the work to make sure I stay as disciplined as possible to make this vision a reality. I really have such a huge desire, not only to get paid out, but to really turn this into a skill set that can help me to quit my job. So let's go ahead and get started. Um, so I was really waiting for CB Consumer Confidence, and that happened at 10 a.m. So this was the candle there, 10 a.m. Right? From the data I've collected, CB Consumer Confidence so far has proven to me that it has a 70% win rate and that it's positively correlated, and you need to aim for no more than a 1-to-1. If you can stick to a 1-to-1, if you're going to trade CB Consumer Confidence, it seems to work pretty well. But this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm seeing. So I entered, right? I entered here. The price shot up before, but I entered off of the 10-minute close. Price started going up, right? This was that confirmation. This is this right here. As you guys can see, that drawing. I want the price to break above, come back down, and give me confirmation. So it broke above the 4-hour zone, tapped the daily, came back down, started pushing up. I had this, let's say this like little 5-minute resistance broken above, aggressive, nice, bullish volume. Price started coming up. As it came down, this right here, these candles down there confirmed my bias. The price would continue to rise up. Okay, but then this is kind of where I messed up. When this candle printed aggressively down, I closed my position completely, all of it. My entry was up here, right? So I did lose like 200 and something dollars. The thing with this, right, is I should have been more patient, in the sense that if price would have come lower, like around this area, that's where I should have closed. Maybe this would have been something I should have closed 50%. But this next candle is gonna, we're gonna look at that. Aggressively just shot up. This is something that I'm not gonna deny, especially in my early trading career, would be incredibly frustrating. Today, it was one of those things that I'm like, man, it is what it is. I'm just happy that I'm trading. I'm happy that I'm getting better at this. I'm getting way better at reading price action and correlating with volume. And I decided to, just take a step back, and I said, I'm not going to enter. This is a gigantic stop loss. And it's not like I had a gigantic catalyst. The CB again is fantastic for a 1-to-1, and it did. It hit the 1-to-1. So, I got off of it. I also had kept in mind that the daily, and there was a supply zone right there. Now, the one thing though that I was more leaning towards buys than sells, because as we see, price had created a higher high, a higher low. It just made sense that price would want to continue to rally up higher to this weekly zone, and it didn't work out, and that's just probability for you. So as we continue, right, at this point in time, I'm done. I'm out this trade. I closed it. Took around like 200 and something dollars of a loss. Not that deep, right? It is what it is. Decided, hey, I'm gonna just chill. I ended up actually falling asleep, unfortunately, right? But that supply zone did give that signal, and price aggressively reversed this candle here. The reason I took it was because we had a clear support here that got aggressively broken, right? Let's say the candle, right, seemed like, okay, we're slightly more aggressive when it comes to selling. And price came here. I ended up breaking even basically. And we closed out. Decided, hey, it's not worth to continue to hold it. and I closed actually off of this bullish candle at 250, and it's around, I want to say, 4:30. It actually hit the 2RR TP 2.5. So yeah, this was it for today. Like I said, these are my reasons why I did what I did.